welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West. If this is your first time on the channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I am going to be talking about the plant known as bottle glong or calabash plant or Legenaria Siceraria. This is a very important and interesting plant in Africa and around the world. The plant is very interesting because we use it a lot in Africa, especially in the ancient times. This is a plant that is known for growing fruits that can take the shape of different type of kitchen utensils. It just happens naturally. We don't know how it happens, but it is nature that have blessed us with this plant. In the ancient times in Africa, dating far back to who knows when, more than 200, 300,000 years, this is something that African ancestors have naturally been using as kitchen utensils. This is a plant that we grow shapes of fruits that are like plates, pots, pans, spoons, bottles, bowl, vase, any kind of shape that you imagine that you can be able to use as a kitchen utensil or as something for eating. The plant just grows it naturally. And then what people do is that when they feel that it is big enough, they can be able to use it, they pluck it and they let it dry, and then they scrape the insides off and they start using it for whatever they want to use it for. In ancient Africa, you're going to find, even presently in Africa, you're going to still see this in many villages. People use it. They use it as plates for eating. They use it for storing water. They use it for storing food. We also use it for storing medicine, herbs, grains, and we use it as drinking cups. You see a lot of men in the village, they still use it to drink their palm wine, to drink their local gin, to store local gin, to store all sorts of medicine. So this plant is a very interesting plant. In my tribe, the Urubu tribe of West Africa, Nigeria, they use it a lot. They call it Opu or Ahwore. That is what we call it in my tribe. But every native tribe in Africa have their own name for it. So the English name is calabash plants or calabash. It's natural calabash. You don't need to mold to use clay. It just grows from plants. So this is a calabash that is given from nature. So we use it for all our cooking activities in the rural areas in Africa. In the ancient time, this is what we use. A lot of people use it. We just grow it, and you're going to see it very common before people start making clay. If you don't use this, people use clay to make pots and pans. Then later on, people start using ceramic, broken plates. We also switch to metal as well and other sorts. But if you want natural plates from nature, natural pans, natural bowl, vase, this is the plant that will give you those natural pans that you want to use. If you are somebody that is 100% eco-friendly, 100% trying to live in harmony with the environment, this is what you need. What you need to do is to get the seeds of these plants and you plant them in your compound or in your farm, and they just grow this stuff for you. They just grow. They are 100% biodegradable. They don't pollute the environment. You can use them for a very long time, and they are not so expensive. Okay, so this is what a lot of people use in ancient time in Africa. Why I'm talking about it today because it's very interesting, and I still see it. A lot of people use it. We don't only use it for storing water or drinking or as kitchen utensils. Help for a lot of medical remedies to solve many problems. The leaves, The stem, the roots, the fruit itself is also edible. Every part of this plant is edible. It is very, very medicinal and powerful. We use the fruits as an antibiotics. It is very good for antimicrobial, any kind of problem that you have that have to do with infection. It works against infections in the body. So it's a very powerful antibiotics. It is also an antidote for poison. If somebody is has been poisoned or you ate something that is runny, you don't know what you eat, you can also eat this fruit. It will solve that problem of poison. People use it for that. It's also a diuretic. Maybe you want to purge or you want to flush your system. You can also use this fruit to do a smoothie. It will flush your system for you. Then people also use it as a cardiotonic. By this, it means that it's good for solving heart problems. Maybe you want to clear your arteries. You're having too much cholesterol whereby fatty tissues that are blocking your arteries. The person cannot breathe well. You want to clear your heart. You can use this plant. You drink it. You squeeze the leaves and you to solve that problem. The fruits also help to solve the problem as well. Then people that have hypertension, they can also use this plant as well. It's very good to solve a problem of hypertension, and it is also anti-diabetic. So people that are diabetes patients, you need to start eating these plants. You can get the fruits or the leaves. It's very good for diabetes as well. So this is another powerful remedy. Then the major one that a lot of people use this plant for in my places for the liver. It helps to heal the liver very, very fast. Okay, for people that are having liver problems due to excessive drinking, can be hepatitis or cirrhosis of the liver, anything that to do with the liver, this plant works well. What they do is that you get the leaves, you extract the juice from the leaf, you grind it, then mix it with water that the person needs to be drinking this 3 times a day. It's going to help you to solve that liver problem. So people that have liver problem in my community, this is what they use to solve it. This very plant, the leaves of this very plant is very, very powerful for that kind of thing. So if you know somebody that is suffering from liver ailment due to excessive drinking, you might want to get this plant for them to use. Okay, it solve that problem. So in all, this is a very mysterious and powerful plant that nature have blessed us with, and we still have it today. We still sell it. A lot of people sell it. If you want to make money, you can make a lot of money by growing these plants, because a lot of tourists, they come to Africa, they like these calabash products, these native calabash. People still buy them. Nowadays, people use them for beautification purposes. People use them for different things. Some people still fancy them. I still like them as well. So you can make money by selling this, the fruits of these plants, the ready-made products. You just grow them. When they mature, you cut and you design them. Any kind of design you want to paint the calabash, you want to draw something on it, you just draw and use. Can make a lot of money selling this stuff to people. So there are people that actually farm this and they sell it in the market. So it's something that if you are thinking of trying to go eco-friendly, this thing is very, very good. It's something that is very, very good, and I think that it is kind of slowly coming back into fashion these days. It's kind of creeping back into mainstream kitchen utensils. So it's something that you might want to check out, you might want to look into. It's a very interesting and mysterious product. You just plant them and they grow into any shape. Some grow into bottles, grow into spoons, grow into pans, into pots, into plates. You just grow and you just wait and you harvest it, you dry it, and you start using it for your kitchen utensils. So this is a very, very mysterious and nice, beautiful, lovely herb. So it's something that I want you guys to check out, and try to see what you can be able to do with it. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Questions or comments are welcome. Please like and share this video. I want you guys to share my videos. My videos are not really going forward. I think I am having some sort of blockades. People don't want my videos to go places. So I'm having some kind of people trying to block my videos from reaching other people. So please, if you're watching and you like my channel, you want people to have access to this knowledge, help me to share them on your social media, share them on your Facebook, especially Facebook. Share them as far as you can so it can be able to go far, the channel can be able to grow, and a lot of people can get access and be able to get benefits from this knowledge as well, and they can start using it to improve their life and their surroundings. Okay, if you are interested in doing spiritual work or consultations, you can contact me. And if you want to learn African spirituality as well, my website is there, kindoki.net, where I teach the secrets of African spirituality, so that you can be able to know this knowledge for yourself and you can be able to teach it to your children and to people around you. Then if you want to know about the scientific aspects of African spirituality, the interrelationship, you can also buy my book that I have written on quantum physics and African spirituality. It is the first book that I've been written on quantum physics in the history of Nigeria. So it's something that you really want to check out if you are a scientist or you are an educated person that is going into African spirituality. You want to see how it relates. This book will enable you to catch up with all the evidence that you need. Okay, all the facts I have been able to compile them into this book. So it's something that is very, very important and something you might want to check into. So this is what I have for you today, and see you in the next video. So take care and bye. Peace.